Hey, if you want to set Christmas theme on your Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, all you have to do is just to open the settings for the first. Next, you have to scroll down and go into the themes. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data to get access to the Galaxy theme store. Now from here, just be sure that you are on the themes and tap on the right upper corner and type Free Christmas. And from here, you can actually find the dozen of the different paidless themes. Let's say that I want to actually download, for example, this one. So I have to click on it. Right here you can find a short description, a short preview, how it looks on the lock screen of the dial keypad, in the messages, and other options, is also with the always on display. You can also play the ringtone and the notification. The same with the notification sound. And to apply, just click download. Now you have to wait for this downloading process. That's the remaining time. After this, we will have here the apply button. So click on it. And now we have to wait for this applying theme process. So it will take also the few seconds like it was with the downloading. So just be patient and wait a little bit. And as you can see, here we are. That's our new Christmas theme on the Galaxy M34 5G with the animated lock screen. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.